Introducing the Dixie Ultra SmartStock automated napkin system from GP Pro. Inside the box, you'll find the machine, roller assembly, and power cord. Setup of the machine is easy. It can be completed in a couple of minutes. Make sure there's enough room above the unit to open the cover. Do not place below stored liquids or near extreme heat, steam, or water sources. Open the cover by pressing the spring-loaded latch at the rear of the unit and insert the color-coded assembly. Connect the power supply. The power switch is on the bottom rear. Position the napkin roll so that the green core plug is on the left and the blue is on the right. Lower the roll into the holder until it clicks into place. Pull the end of the roll from the bottom of the roll and place the end of the napkins over the rollers and close the cover. To program the number of napkins for the autofill option, set the default number of napkins that will always be available in the tray by pressing and holding the Set button while repeatedly pressing the Autofill Quantity button to the desired quantity. The recommended setting for the autofill quantity is 2 napkins. For the Quick Dispense buttons on the programmable units, set the number of napkins dispensed for each of the 3 Quick Dispense buttons by pressing and holding the Set button while repeatedly pressing the Quick Dispense button to the desired quantity. It is recommended that you program the quantity buttons to 1, 3, and 5 napkins. Set the low product indicator to monitor when refills are needed. To enable the low product indicator, press and hold the Autofill button followed by the Reverse Paper button. Hold both buttons for 6 seconds. A white light will flash when the low product indicator has been activated. A red light will flash when the low product indicator has been deactivated. When 30% of the napkin roll remains, 3 white flashes illuminate the dispense area. 6 white flashes indicate only 10% of the napkin roll is remaining. The machine is now ready for operation. To ensure maximum operating performance, daily removal and cleaning of the dust and napkin trays will keep the machine working properly. With the power off, pull the clear napkin tray down and out to clean. Use a damp, soft cloth to avoid scratching the clear tray. With the clear napkin tray removed, pull out the black dust tray to clean. The black dust tray can be cleaned with water and a paper towel. Both trays are dishwasher safe. Replace the clean black dust tray and the clear napkin tray before restoring power. Every 30 to 60 days, it's recommended to clean the inside of the machine with a can of compressed air or a portable air compressor. First, open the lid and press and hold the reverse button to back out any napkins from the roller assembly, and then remove the napkin roll. Next, remove the clear napkin and black dust trays. Unplug the napkin machine and take the machine outside away from the food prep area. Then, remove the roller assembly and blow out any dust and paper debris in the roller assembly. Lastly, blow the dust and paper debris from the inside of the napkin machine. Replace the roller assembly, dust tray and napkin tray, and return the napkin machine to service. A flashing red light indicates the machine is out of napkins or requires attention. Open the cover of the machine. If the napkin roll is empty, just replace the napkin roll and pull the end of the napkin roll over the rollers. Close the lid and make sure the power is on. If the machine has napkins left on the roll, then the roller assembly is most likely jammed. Open the cover and press the Reverse Paper button to reverse the rollers and pull the napkin roll out of the machine. Remove the roller assembly by using the color-coded handles to lift the roller assembly straight up. Check for any excess or jammed paper within the roller assembly or the unit interior. If you have cleared all visible jammed napkins from the roller assembly and the machine is still not dispensing, first, please recheck the roller assembly and the inside of the unit to ensure all napkins are clear from the inside of the unit and roller assembly. If the inside of the unit and the roller assembly are clear, please check the napkin and dust tray. They may need cleaning. We recommend cleaning the trays daily. If this doesn't solve the problem, Clean the sensor located under the clear napkin tray. Use a damp cloth to avoid scratching the sensor. Reload the roller assembly. Reinsert the paper roll to resume operation. The Dixie Ultra SmartStock automated napkin system from GP Pro. Napkin savings made easy. If you need additional support in solving your issue, please contact GP Express at 1-866-HELLO-GP.